Welcome to Development and Relief Department, Romain Agabatis Association, RNDA. Our major programs like Environment Development and Management Program, which has been supported by the Bread for the World, working with 6 NGO partners, 1 in Nagaland and 5 of them in Manipur. And System of Rice Intensification, SRI, supported by Tata Trust, working with around 13 NGOs in 9 districts, in all the districts of Manipur. Diversion-based irrigation, we call it DBI, supported by Tata Trust, working with 11 NGOs in Manipur. And WHAG, Women HAG, program supported by NABARD, and also producer organization, which is also supported by NABARD, working in Tamil district of Manipur. And relief program for the recent flood and earthquake in Manipur, which have been supported by Habitat for Humanity International. For the Environment Development and Management Program, we have covered around 66 villages, covering around 6,500 families for the last 10 years. And System of Rice Intensification, SRI, we work across 9 districts, that means all the districts in Manipur, covering around 19,384 farmers since 2009. Basically, we work with small and marginal farmers. Diversion-based irrigation, DBI, also implemented in 21 villages with 1,575 households since 2010. And this is also working with small and marginal farmers in 4 districts of Manipur. NABARD supported program with 15 villages, 180 WHAG, and 1 farmers producer organization in the Development District of Manipur. And repairing of 69 houses for earthquake affected houses in Tamil district, which have been supported by Habitat for Humanity International. And we have learned that 14 quintal incremental yield of paddy per acre through SRI programs. 1,083 households have been able to access safe drinking water through diversion-based irrigation program, and 588 households able to irrigate around 1,267 acres of land through DBI. And also we could see 20% increases of income, and also around 60 acres of land have been newly developed for paddy cultivation for the last 4 years or so. Now RNDA will continue to work mostly with small and marginal farmers in all our projects and continue to do so in the coming years. System of rice intensification will be continuing, not only increase the productivity of the paddy, but also we try to enhance income with this SRI, like introducing some black rice, which is a very expensive rice in Manipur. The price is double time, triple times more than the normal rice. And also there is a traditional practice of rearing fish with the paddy, which we call kaichum, which will be able to increase around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per acre in a paddy cultivation season. This is basically practiced by Tangkul tribe in Ukhrul district. So we come to know this while we implementing our SRI programs. So we try to scale up these practices to other districts in Manipur as well. Increasing income and access and control over land through integrated farming, ensuring sustainability will be also our priority, because particularly in the hills, land rights issue is a major concern. And of course, we try to continue working for conversion with government department, linkages for market, and also for bank and other institutional support for skill. So we thank you for your patience in listening to our humble initiatives. Thank you so much.